Yes, a pop-up drink stand should absolutely offer seasonal drinks, because rotating flavors keeps customers curious and gives people a reason to come back again and again throughout the year. Think of it like this: if your stand only sells the same 3 drinks all year long, people try them once and then stop paying attention to you. But when you bring out a pumpkin spice cooler in the fall or a watermelon mint refresher in the summer, it feels exciting. Almost like a limited time treat that they need to grab before it disappears. Here's something a lot of small drink stands do not realize: seasonal drinks actually help you manage cost better too, because you are buying fruits and flavors that are naturally cheaper and fresher during that specific time of year. So you are not just creating hype, you are also saving money on ingredients while making something that tastes better because it is in season. A smart move is to introduce your seasonal drink about 2 weeks before the actual season starts. That way you catch the early excitement and build buzz on social media before everyone else does the same thing. One common mistake is changing too many drinks at once, which confuses regular customers who came back specifically for their favorite flavor. So a good fix is to keep your core menu steady and only rotate 1 or 2 seasonal specials at a time. Another thing people overlook is not testing the drink with real customers before launching it fully. So always do a small taste test with a handful of people first to catch any flavor issues early. Lastly, many stands forget to actually mention that the drink is limited time only, which takes away the urgency, so make sure your signage or verbal pitch clearly says it will not be around forever. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.